Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do localization for your images in native iOS application. So let's get started. uh, so I want to set the expectation correct what I mean by localization for images. So firstly, you will have to create images for different languages which you want to support, like iOS will not create it for you. So that's the thing. So first what you will have to do, so suppose this is my basic iOS project which I have created, and I will just copy paste some code from my other project. So here you can see I have one image view which I am creating programmatically, and I am displaying one image called first. Okay, you can name this whatever you feel like. So I will just go to my view controller. I am using UI kit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Process remains the same. There is no programmatic code as such. Okay, Xcode will handle, you just have to add the configuration properly. All right, next, so we have added one image view, but we don't have this image called first inside our assets, which I will add later on. So the next thing which you have to do is go to your project, go over here, click on this particular project tab, go to info, and here you can add what all language you want to support. So suppose I will add something French. Okay, and I'll just click on finish. Make sure everything was checked. So here you can see two files localized. Then inside assets, as you can see over here, I have two images. One is for French, so here you can see the text inside the image is French, so you will have to create this particular image, and this is for English. Okay, now make sure you name it same, but in macOS you can't have images with same name, right? So for French I have just added first.fr.png. okay, you can use whatever naming convention makes sense to you. So here I will just right click inside assets, new image assets, and here firstly I will click on localize, and here you can see it tells you for English and French. I'll just select French, and I will add this first, which is for English, inside universal, and this particular one for French. Okay, hopefully this should work. Now I will just run my application on the iOS simulator, and let's see if it works or not. Obviously, one more thing, you don't need to check on English, because the universal language which I have is English. Now this might differ according to the country which you are living in, but for English I have not localized it, but if you want you can localize it as well, but I think that would be more effort to you. So universal, that means in case if there are multiple languages, for a language which I am not providing that localization, it will take the universal part. So my simulator is slow. So I did a silly mistake. So if you see inside my view controller, the image name should be first, but if you see over here inside assets, I have named it as image. So I'll just name it as first, and I will just rerun it again. Sorry about this. So hopefully now you should be able to see the image with the English text. So here you can see, now here you can see able to see the image with English text. So I will just go to settings. Where is settings? Okay, and I will just quickly change the language as well. General, language and region, add language, and I will select French, use French. So it has terminated my app. I think that's fine. I will so here is French is set, so here you can see everything is French, and I'll quickly run that particular language, rerun my app, sorry, not language. So here you can see the French text is displayed on my image. I don't have to do any programmatic changes inside my view controller. Just make sure your image name is fine. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.